Setting the right action on your guitar can completely change the way your guitar feels to play. Having the strings closer to the fretboard can make it much easier to play, but getting them too close can cause problems like fret buzz. Hi, I'm Connor from Roundtable Audio, and today I'll show you how to set your guitar's action. I recommend doing this as part of a full guitar setup. I've made an easy to follow guide here that will walk you through everything you need to know step by step. To set your guitar's action, you'll need a ruler that can measure in 64ths of an inch, a hex key if you have Strat style saddles, or a flathead screwdriver if you have a tune-o-matic bridge. Start by measuring the gap between the low E string and the 17th fret wire using a ruler that can measure in 64ths of an inch. We'll be adjusting each string one at a time. For my bass strings, I'm looking for a measurement around about 4 or 5 64ths of an inch. On my lighter strings, I'll aim for around 3 or 4 64ths of an inch. It depends on the string gauge and the strings that I'm using. If I can go lower, I do, but I'll know I've gone too far if the strings buzz against the frets. To raise or lower the strings on a Stratocaster style bridge, you can set each string height individually by adjusting the saddles. Simply turn the screws on the saddle with a hex key to raise or lower them. Here I'm using a hex attachment on my screwdriver. It's important to make sure that the saddle is level. It shouldn't be slanted, so adjust each screw evenly. On a tune-o-matic style bridge, you can't set the height individually. Instead, you can only adjust either end of the bridge, so bear that in mind. Once you've adjusted the height of the string, tune the string again and measure the gap again. Have a play across the string's length and see if there's any buzzing or dead frets. If there is, you'll need to raise the string. String height isn't set in stone. You can adjust it to whatever feels right for you. Work your way across each string, making sure that your guitar is fully in tune each time you measure and adjust the heights. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like to help it reach more people, and stick around by subscribing for more guitar related content. Thank you.